Okay, so one of the things that I talk about, and it doesn't come up a lot of times, but it comes up enough that I want to make sure we know the difference. The sides of a triangle add up to the perimeter. Now, this is going to change based on the triangle, so it's not always the same number. Angles are nice because the angles always total 180, but the sides total to whatever the heck the perimeter is. We don't normally know what the perimeter is. You're going to have some problems in this practice thing and in the Schoology quiz that go along with this stuff that you're going to know the perimeter sometimes and have to set that equation up. All right, so then here's this thing that I talked about in the first video if you watched it. The sides of the triangle will be labeled as either the segment or the lowercase letters. So in this triangle right here, if this side is A, that means that this side, this angle over here would have to be capital A, and then the same thing there, that would have to be B, and then that would have to be capital C right there. So we got to be careful with this because it is really important to remember. So this side here could also be AC, and they could all do things like that. All right. Then that next thing we're not worried about right now, so you can put an X through that. That's what we're looking at here. When we go down through these questions, you're going to be getting asked about angles and sides and making sure we can differentiate between the two. Just be careful. Sides never equal 180. Okay, that's the last thing I'm going to write down. Sides do not equal 180. And I'm going to put down ever with a little star because obviously it could tell you the perimeter is 180 and it would, but that's so rare that I feel confident saying sides do not equal 180 ever.